Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Pokt token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search POKT, search it, and you will see Pokt token in Alpha. You can click it. And as you can see, this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see 24-hour high, low, and the volume. And you can also see the audit here. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click the trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.